Hi, I'm Brad White, and welcome back to Inside Pierce, where you see our people, our process, and our product. Today we're going to walk through our cab weld area, and I'm going to show you right here from the start the parts behind me. If you remember last, when we talked about the piece parts being built at our fabrication area, where they were bent up, cut, punched, and ready to prepare. Now what you're going to see is these parts are going to get taken, put into a fixture area where our people are going to weld them into a cab and make them look more like a fire truck. All right, let's take a walk down. And what you see to my left here and all the way along this wall are our fixtures. We're here at the Industrial Park plant for Pierce, and this is where we do all of our cab welds. As you can see, the cab starts from the engine tunnel out. So it's a strong base built into a large structure, a roll cage design. And as we're moving along here, you can see where we built all 6 of our custom chassis. Our Aero XT, our Quantum, our Sabre, our Dash CF, our Velocity and Impel chassis. Morning, Bill, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So we got a fixture here for our cab roofs, correct?
Correct, this is roof area.
Now, do we do all of our cabs here? Do we do it for the Velocity, the Impel, Sabre, or is this just one fixture for one certain cab?
It's kind of broken up in between our 2 fixtures. This fixture over here is going to build Sabres on one side, Velocities on the other. This fixture over here is going to build Arrows on one side and Quantums on the other side.
So now it appears that this fixture rotates. Does it always start out flat? Or
always starts out flat, as you see it here. That way it's easier to get everything set up, make sure that everything's square, at the right setting, the right width, and everything like that.
So now this one's getting ready to be tilted up. So why don't we take a look and I'll let you run the machine and show us how you tilt it up, finish out the product. How's that sound?
Sure, sounds good.
Thanks.
We bring it up and rotate it so that it's easier to get to our middle pieces here. That way we're not reaching over the jig, stretching, possibly hurting ourselves, anything like that. And when it's in a position like this, you're welding flat. You're going to get a better quality weld,
right,
better quality product.
So great. So what this cab roof is complete, what do we do with it then?
After I finish this up, I'm going to flip it over,
okay,
so that it's actually right side up now. I'm going to bring it down, set it on a table, and from there we'll push it down. They'll take it on the crane and actually put it on the table.
Okay, super. Now, you work with the cab roofs here, but you're also familiar with what happens to the cab after it leaves the fixture. Why don't you tell me a little bit about that? Where does it go?
Once they're finished with their cab, they take it off with the crane, set it on a paint cart. It's pushed down to Mod Bay down here at the end of our shop. Down there they pre-drill all of the holes for the 4-way on the back of the truck, all of the white bars and the rub such. And then it's pushed out back, put on a flatbed, taken over to 41, where it's painted and put together.
Super. So Mod Bay is kind of that part where they pre-drill all the holes so that when we paint it, the paint gets into those holes and it reduces our corrosion.
Correct.
Right. Well, thanks, Bill. I appreciate your time.
Not a problem.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And we'll see you guys next over at our body build area. Thank you again for watching Inside Pierce.